Morning dear students. Now today we are going to start our new chapter, fifth chapter, arithmetic progression, and short form of arithmetic progression is AP. In this case, first we must know what is the meaning of AP. Here we all know about a ladder. In a ladder, have you not noticed that the difference between each rung is same? Because if this is a ladder, suppose this is our ladder and these are the rugs, it means here difference between consecutive rugs is always same. So when, and again second example, suppose we have all the even numbers, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We all know that these are the even numbers. Difference between each consecutive pair is again same. You can find out 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and here 4 and 6, these are two consecutive terms, and again what is the difference? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. If in any case, if this pattern is followed by some numbers or by some things, then these numbers or that particles form an AP. So what is the meaning of an AP? Difference between every consecutive pair remains same. Then this type of numbers form an AP. And today we are going to start this chapter AP. Now in your first exercise and your question number first, in your first question we are going to show that whether these numbers are forming an AP or not. Now come to the question. First is exercise 15.1 5.1 and question number 1 and first part. Now question number first and first part. In this part, the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Here they are saying that for first kilometer, how much charges we have to pay? Rupees 15. And for second kilometer, for 2 kilometer, the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer, for first kilometer we have to pay rupees 15, and for the next kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So it means how many additional kilometer we have? Only one. So 15 plus 8, and this value is equal to rupees 23. If we want to go for 3 kilometer, then for that, if we want to go for 3 kilometer, then in that case, for first 2 kilometer, rupees is 23. Then for third kilometer, rupees is equal to 8. So 23 plus 8, next value is 31. It means in first case rupees is equal to 15. In second case, rupees is equal to 23. In third case, rupees is equal to 31. And now we want to check whether these numbers are forming an AP or not. So just check. 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 is equal to 8. 31 minus 23. 31 minus 23 is also equal to 8. It means difference between each consecutive pair is same. So these values form an AP. So our answer in first case is yes. Now second part. Now for second part, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Here cylinder is given to us and here is air in the cylinder, the amount of air present in a cylinder. Okay, so this, and we know that if we always consider the amount. We denote it by volume. So let this is the volume, or we can say that air present in the cylinder. Air present in cylinder. Let this value is equal to V. So this is our first case. This is the amount in first case. And in second case, they are saying that when a vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. It means this vacuum pump remove 1/4 of this air. So 1/4 of V is equal to V by 4. And this air we want to remove from the total. So the remaining air will be equal to, V minus V upon 4, and when we take LCM, this value is 3V upon 4. Now how much air is present in the cylinder? 3V divided by 4. In next case, again we want to remove 1/4 of this air. So 1/4 of 3V by 4 is equal to 3V upon 16. And now this is the total air. From this total air we want to remove 3V upon 16. So subtract this value, 3V upon 4 minus 3V upon 16. In this case 16 is LCM. 4 3 ja 12V minus 3V, and this value is equal to 9V upon 16. So in first case value is V, volume. Next is 3V upon 4. Next is 9V upon 16. And is there difference same? Means difference between each consecutive pair? No. This difference is not same. So that's why our answer is no in this case. Now come to the fourth part. The amount of money in the account every year rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. First we come to know about the compound interest. Now what is the formula for compound interest? Formula of compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n. Here P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and here n stand for the year. Now in this case, if we want to find out compound interest for 1 year. So this value, how much principal is given to us? 10,000. 10,000 into 1 plus our rate of interest is 8%. So A divided by 100, and for 1 year, so it means n is equal to 1. So this is the value in first case. Now come to the second. Now if we want to find out compound interest for 2 years, again formula is same. 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 raised to the power 2 for 3 years. Now for 3 years, then value will be equal to 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 raised to the power 3. And now tell me, difference between these two numbers is same? No, difference between each consecutive pair is again not same. So that's why our answer is no. So this is the solution of your first question.